So I just checked all the hives and wow, it's kicked them off big time. There's fresh smell of honey in the air now. It's even sent the little ones on her. But good thing, they've all got queens, they've all laying brood. They're all growing. These three are growing a bit slower. They made it through winter. You've got to remember though that spring is the time you lose your bees. Yeah, we've activated the bees in the garden. So as you'll see, the big palace of a hive, the golden factory, is rammed with bees. I'll put a video up on YouTube of all the little checks that I did. It was just a quick check. Run through them all, quickly check them all, make sure they're all good. They are good. And I didn't realise that you clip your wings of your queen and it grows back. So good job I did check them and re-clip them, because otherwise they'd have swarmed off and I'd have been wondering how they'd done that. I didn't know they did that. I didn't know the wings grew back. I suppose not like humans. You lose an arm and you don't get another one. So you learn every time. We have to go do a little mite treatment on them. But yeah, look, that has kicked them off big time. I didn't see no swarm cups, but drones, and so they're preparing for swarms. All good in the bee hood.